In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign your own documents in DocuSign, whether you're on the go or simply want to avoid the hassle of printing and scanning. Learning how to electronically sign a document is a must in our digital world. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the DocuSign website. Now, DocuSign is recognized globally as a leader in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, making it a reliable choice for all your signing needs. Once you are on the homepage, look towards the top right corner where you'll find the Login button. Give that a click. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be redirected to the DocuSign homepage. This is your base for all signing activities, whether you wish to send, receive, or manage documents. To start signing a document, locate the Start button, usually prominently displayed on the homepage, and click it. You'll now see an option that says I'm the only signer. Select this option as it indicates that you're the one who needs to sign the document. This feature simplifies the process by allowing you to avoid the additional steps needed for multiple signatories. Next up is the signing process itself. After choosing to be the only signer, you'll see an option to either upload a document or select files from your existing DocuSign folders. Choose the document you want to sign and it will open up in the document viewer. Now find the Sign button that usually appears on the top toolbar or within the document viewer interface. Click on it and you'll be prompted to create a signature if you haven't done so before. DocuSign enables you to draw, type, or even upload a photo of your signature. Choose the option that best fits your needs and follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your signature. It's quick and intuitive, ensuring you capture your signature perfectly. Once your signature is ready and placed where it's needed in the document, you're nearly done. Make sure to double check the document for any additional fields that may need filling out before proceeding. You wouldn't want to miss out on any crucial details at this stage. Finally, once you've ensured everything looks good and is in order, you can go ahead and complete the process by clicking Finish. This action finalizes your electronic signature and securely stores the signed document in your DocuSign account, making it easily accessible for you and any intended recipients. And that's it, you've successfully signed your own document using DocuSign. It's a straightforward yet powerful tool to have, saving you both time and resources in managing your documents efficiently. Remember, mastering electronic signatures is a valuable skill in today's fast-paced digital environment. Thanks for watching and happy signing.